Tired of manually transferring your Facebook leads to a spreadsheet? Well, get ready to ditch the data entry drudgery because in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send your Facebook leads directly to Google Sheets using the magic of Zapier. First things first, head over to Zapier and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, hit that Create Zap button. This is where the automation magic happens. Now, for the trigger, search for Facebook lead ad selected. Then choose New Lead as the trigger event. Connect your Facebook account and pick the specific Facebook page and let ad form you want to monitor. Next up, the action, search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event and connect your Google account. Then, pick the Google Sheet where you want your lead data to land. Now comes the fun part, mapping. This is where you tell Zapier which fields from your Facebook lead ad should go into which columns in your Google Sheet. Click into each field and select the corresponding Facebook lead ad data. For example, map the full name field from Facebook to the name column in your sheet. Repeat for all relevant fields. Before you unleash your Zap, give it a test run. Click the Test Trigger button to pull in a recent lead from your Facebook ad. Then, test the action by sending that data to your Google Sheet. Make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with the results, give your Zap a catchy name and flip that switch to turn it on. Boom! Now, every time someone fills out your Facebook lead ad, their information will automatically appear in your Google Sheet. No more manual data entry. You just saved yourself hours of work.